Welcome to an introduction on quantum finance. In this video, we are going to explore how the cutting-edge world of quantum computing is reshaping how we understand risk, manage portfolios, and predict the future of money. First, we must understand the problem. Traditional banking relies on classical computers, which hit a wall when calculations become too complex. As we add more variables to a financial model, the time it takes to calculate risks increases exponentially. This forces banks to rely on approximations rather than exact answers. This is where quantum computing steps in. Unlike classical bits that are either 0 or 1, quantum bits, or qubits, can exist in a state of superposition. This allows them to represent and analyze complex financial scenarios simultaneously, offering a massive leap in processing power. Consider portfolio optimization. Finding the perfect mix of assets to maximize return and minimize risk is incredibly difficult. Quantum algorithms can scan through trillions of possible combinations nearly instantly to find the optimal solution, something that would take supercomputers thousands of years. Then there is risk analysis. Quantum computers offer a quadratic speedup in calculating value at risk. This means financial institutions can predict market crashes and extreme events, often called black swans, with much greater accuracy and speed. A key tool in finance is the Monte Carlo simulation, which runs millions of random scenarios to predict outcomes. Quantum versions of this method require far fewer samples to reach the same level of accuracy, converging on the correct answer much faster than classical methods. Pricing complex financial derivatives, especially those that depend on the history of an asset's price, is computationally heavy. Quantum algorithms can reprice these complex portfolios in seconds, enabling real-time trading strategies that were previously impossible. However, we are not quite there yet. We are currently in the noise intermediate-scale quantum era. Our quantum computers are sensitive to noise and errors, and integrating them into existing banking infrastructure remains a significant engineering challenge. Looking ahead, the immediate future lies in hybrid algorithms that combine classical and quantum power. In the next 3 to 5 years, we will see specific advantages in high-speed trading, followed by a broader revolution as hardware stabilizes over the coming decade. To summarize, quantum finance offers unprecedented speed in risk analysis, optimization, and pricing. While challenges remain, the transition has already begun. Understanding these concepts now prepares us for the next major evolution in the global economy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.